This is for week 7 and 8. I don't know if I can do this, Dr. Copeland, but I'm just gonna knock them out. It's week 8. So for my advocacy video, I think I wish I could add more stuff to it, like animation or moving things around more. Um, I'm not the most tech savvy person, so I think if I could just do that and maybe in the middle of it, add like I don't know, maybe like a 2 minute interview with somebody that would be that knows something a lot more than me about child abuse. I think that would be really cool. I also know that like it's also supposed to be like maybe something you could pop on the TV as like a commercial real quick. So that'd be pretty cool. And then for week 8, I think that we hit a lot of ethical positions. I think we hit a lot of ethical things. We talked about a lot. Um, things happened out in the real world that we talked about a lot. Not always things that we liked. Some things that were really upsetting, but we got to talk about it. So I think that uh, everything was good. We talked about a lot of stuff. Talked about a lot of ethical stuff. A lot of times, not gonna lie, a lot of times I wanted to step in and say something, um, but I also didn't want to disrupt the class. So I just wanted to make sure that things were smooth. And I think it was a great class, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.